Today we will discuss about kingdom Prokaryote. Its second name is kingdom Monera. So basically prokaryotes includes all the prokaryotic organisms. The word prokaryote is divided from two Greek words, pro mean primitive and karyon mean nucleus. So kingdom Prokaryote includes all the prokaryotic organisms. It means the organisms which have no proper nucleus and no membrane bounded organelles. So kingdom Prokaryote includes all the bacteria and blue-green algae-like organisms. Types of bacteria. According to origin, there are two main types of bacteria. Eubacteria, eu mean true or proper. It's a Greek word. So eubacteria includes all the recent or modern kind of bacteria. These are true bacteria. The second group of bacteria is archaeobacteria. Archaeo mean ancient or primitive. These are primitive kind of bacteria. So the main difference between eubacteria and archaeobacteria is in their composition of cell wall. Discovery of bacteria. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist who discovered bacteria. He used his first made microscope to discuss bacteria-like organisms, which he called it as animalcule. He found these creatures in rainwater, then confirmed these in saliva, vinegar, and other substances. The existence of microbe was further confirmed by Louis Pasteur. His main achievements are the development of vaccine which he used for the treatment of fowl cholera and rabies. He also developed technique for pasteurization. Robert Koch. He formulated the germ theory of disease, which has main four postulates or points. The first one is a specific organism can always be found in association with a given disease. The second postulate is the organism can be isolated and grown in pure culture. The third is the pure culture will produce the disease when inoculated into susceptible organism. Inoculated mean injected or transferred. Means the pure culture will produces a disease when it is injected into another organism. And the fourth postulate is it is possible to recover the organism in pure culture from experimentally infected organism or animal. Occurrence of bacteria. Actually, bacteria are worldwide in distribution. They are present everywhere. They are present in air, land, water, oil deposits, food decaying organic matter. They are present everywhere. Even they are present in hot springs, means garam pani ke chashme, or alkaline or acidic soil, or even well polluted soils and water. They are spread everywhere. They are worldwide spread in their occurrence. Next, structure of bacteria. As you know that bacteria are prokaryotes, so they lack proper nucleus and proper membrane bounded organelles. All bacterial cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, ribosomes and chromatin body. Size. Bacteria range in size from about 0.1 to 600 micrometer in their size. They are variable in size and shape. Different bacteria have different ranges in size, like mycoplasmas are about 100 to 200 nanometer in diameter. Escherichia coli. It is also known as E. coli, and it is a bacillus type of bacteria. Its average size is about 1.1 to 1.5 micrometer, and they are wide by 2 to 6 micrometer long. Spirochetes, or some people also pronounce it as spirochetes, occasionally reach 500 micrometer in length, where streptococci and staphylococci are about 0.75 to 1.25 micrometer in diameter. Shape of bacteria. Bacteria are variable in their size, shape, and we are also called as bacteria are pleomorphic in their nature. Means that they are variable in shape. So now we discuss types of bacteria on the basis of their shape. On the basis of their shape, there are three main types of bacteria: cocci, bacilli, and spirillum. Cocci. Cocci are rounded or spherical bacteria. There are different types of cocci. Monococcus. Mono mean one, means के one single spherical bacteria. Diplococcus. Di mean two, cocci in pair. Next is tetrad. A tetrad is a square of 4 cocci. Next is sarcina. Sarcina is a cube of 8 cocci, as you see in the picture. 4 outside and 4 inside. 4 आगे की तरफ होंगे और 4 पीछे की तरफ. Next, staphylococci. Staphylococci are the cocci which are arranged in irregular or grape-like fashion. They have no specific arrangement. They are irregular in shape. Next, the second major group of bacteria is bacillus, as you see in this picture. Basically, bacillus are elongated bacteria, or they are simply rod shape. Bacilli are divided in one plane. There are three main types of bacillus: monobacillus, single rod shaped bacteria; diplobacillus, bacilli in pair, and these pairs are in linear fashion, as you see in the picture, not upward and downward. They are present in linear fashion like this. Next is streptobacillus. Strepto means strip, line की form में, ये like this. When bacillus bacteria are arranged in line or in linear fashion, they are known as streptobacillus, like this. The third main category of bacteria is spiral shaped bacteria. like this. These are spiral shape, and there are coiled. There are three main types of spiral shape bacteria. Vibrio, these are comma shape, spirillum or spirochete. The main difference between spirillum and spirochete is that spirillum is a thick rigid spiral, whereas spirochete is a thin flexible spiral. These are the two main differences. Spiral shaped bacteria like this, spiral shaped coiled like. Bacterial cell structure. Flagella. The main locomotory organ of bacterial cell is flagella. Its singular is flagellum. First, we will discuss its definition. Basically, flagella are extremely thin hair-like appendages. They come out through cell wall and originate from basal body. Composition. Flagella are made up of special protein called flagellin. Next, types of bacteria on the basis of presence of number of flagella. So bacteria have, now we will discuss about classification or types of bacteria on the basis of number of flagella. As you see in the picture, monotrichous. Mono mean one. So monotrichous bacteria have one single flagella at one pole, like diagram number A. Lophotrichous. Lopho mean tuft of flagella or group of flagella present at one pole. Next, amphitrichous. Amphi mean both. As you see in the picture, amphitrichous bacteria have tuft of flagella at both pole. राइट साइड पे भी और लेफ्ट साइड पे भी आप देख रहे हैं कि ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लैजेला जो है ये मौजूद है. एम्फी मीन बोथ. नेक्स्ट इज पेरीट्राइकस. पेरी मीन होल. As you see, that whole bacterial cell is surrounded by flagella. So this kind of bacteria is peritrichous. Whole bacterial cell is surrounded by flagella. Whereas atrichous means bacteria without flagella. If bacteria has no flagella, then it is known as atrichous. A mean without. So these are the main types of bacteria on the basis of presence of flagella. This is the internal structure of a flagellum. It has a cytoplasmic membrane, peptidoglycan layer, filament and basal bodies. Function of flagella. The main function of flagella is it helps in motility, and with the help of flagellum, flagellate bacteria can also detect and move in response to chemical signals. This type of movement of behavior is called chemotaxis or chemotaxis. Chemo mean chemicals and taxis mean movement or arrangement. So flagella helps in motility or sometime it helps in chemotaxis.